Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Ka wadhi wach mar tennis kunyiri ma mukumwe county ma Kakamega olor bang' jopuonjre ariyo wito ngimagi kama moko moheo 50 bende nyiso ranyisi mar tuo mar bakteria ma ichichgo ni wuok e chiemo kod pi ma gitiyogo e skulno. Seneta ma Kakamega Bonia Lwale ma en achiel kuom jodite skulno mane oloso kod jofwambo wacho ni midhiero ma kamano ok wendo e skundno kaluwore ni higa ma 2022 jopuonjre ariyo bende na owito ngimagi nyaka sani. Jopuonjre 25 pod nie ute thieth ma opogore kendo gidhi nyime gi yudo thieth.
We want to take this early opportunity to send our heartfelt condolences to the families of these children, and we want to assure them they are in our prayers. The school is going to stand with them. The government is going to stand with them. We will stand with them as their elected leaders so that we make it slightly better to bear the burden. This is not the first time. It happened last year, the same pattern. It is failure of the administration.
Going forward, we are going to be very keen and particular with the specific issues that have been elicited from our meeting to make sure that our school runs. Others I know that we've agreed on, we are going to follow up. Mheshimiwa also knows that step by step we are going to move and make sure that the key issues are addressed for the betterment of our learners and for our schools.